Blackmail. Blackmail. Okay. All right, so the first rap has to do with our course, our class. Guys, I don't memorize them. Okay? And I am part cheerleader. So I have to get in the mood. Gotta get in the mood. Okay, here we go. Gotta be real quiet. British rule to revolution led to the birth of our Constitution. Slavery, our worst mistake, laid the cornerstone of our fate. Civil war and Reconstruction left our country in mass destruction. Inventions and industrialization led to mass immigration. We began the race to be best, took over land with much zest. This is known as imperialism and took the brunt of much criticism. Last but not least is World War I, which we all know was anything but fun.